Hi there, welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney and today I'm showing you how I made this burlap wreath behind me that you can change out for any season very simply and with Dollar Tree items, so stay tuned.
What you're gonna need for your wreath is a wreath form. This came from Dollar Tree, and also from Dollar Tree this floral wire, and then you're gonna need 2 spools of burlap ribbon. Now this burlap wide ribbon I got from Hobby Lobby, 40% off in the fall section. And you're gonna start by taking your burlap and folding it accordion style, and then hook it to your wreath form with some floral wire. Next, you're gonna push the burlap up through each of the 3 rungs. So you've got 3 kind of loops here. And it doesn't matter how full it is, but you're gonna wanna make sure that it's not kind of thin. Then you're gonna push it through, twist on the back, and repeat the steps again. So it's just a simple twist. You don't have to do any extra hooking, but then you're gonna twist it and go up through 1, 2, 3, again, fluff it up, twist it, and push it around again. So push it up 3 times, fluff it up, and twist it. Here's another angle so you can kind of see from what I was looking at. You're going to start on the innermost ring, so push up through there, through the middle, and through the outmost portion of your wreath form, twist it around the back, and as you go, you're going to want to fluff it. Then once you get to the end of your first piece, you're going to do the same accordion fold and then just hook it back to your wreath form. And then start again. So cut a piece of floral wire, accordion fold, hook it to the innermost ring. And this I did wrong, so you're going to want to hook underneath of the innermost ring, and then it's going to make it easier for you to fluff everything through. So you want to put it on the underside so then you can push things up and start twisting again. So you're always going to want to start each loop from the underside on the innermost side. So that innermost ring from underneath, push it up, and that is going to set you up for success to make your burlap wreath. Once you get to the end, you're going to take your floral wire and hook it up the exact same way. Just cut off the excess, do the accordion fold, put your stuff through, and then just tuck it underneath one of your wider loops so then it's hidden. And there you have it. That is the base for any burlap wreath you're going to want to create. Now this version is fall because this is what I have currently right now with some Dollar Tree accents. If you want to know how I made this, I will link it up above and at the end of this video. But you can add for any season under the sun, and it's super simple and affordable.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope this inspired you. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below so you don't miss any future DIY videos. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!